Welcome to week 4. This week we're going to learn about mental health and stress management. So here in the discussion, the competencies that you're going to cover are the concept of personal mental health and developing strategies to promote mental health. So the questions that you can think about and answer when you're writing your discussion are: what is mental health and what does it mean to you? What techniques can be used to promote mental health? How does stress impact the body? And this here is a great place to bring in some research. Any of the questions are a great place to bring in research, but there's a lot on how stress impacts the body. What are 3 strategies that can be used to limit stress? Do you use these strategies? How do they make you feel? Are they helpful? So those are the kinds of things that you can think about when you're writing your discussion posts for week 4. In your assignment, we have a case study this week, which might be sort of familiar for some of you. It's sort of a lot of similarities to what a lot of students are going through. So after you read the case study, think about what changes can Sarah make to ease her stress. In each of the 7 dimensions, what changes can be done? What resources can she use? Is there anything that she can capitalize on in her life to try to get some help and make things easier? And don't forget, you're going to want to support your assignment with research that validates your discussion. So try to look for some, and again, you can pull it from readings or videos from the week, or you can go off and search for sources outside of the weekly readings. So the other thing I want to mention for you this week is to review the week 6 comprehensive plan of health, and let me know if you have any questions. We're going to creep up on that pretty quickly. So it'll help you plan and be ready for the final project. So if you have any questions, always you can email me, and have a great week.